Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Wave Keys keyboard. To hard reset your Wave Keys keyboards, for example, if you have a connection issue when it doesn't show up as a Bluetooth device, then you may want to reset it, and in order to do it, you need to first make sure that it's on here, then also make sure that batteries are in. Then I'm gonna click on any button to enable it, although it didn't work, so let's try disabling and enabling the keyboard. And now you need to click on Escape O, then release, Escape O again and release, and Escape B and release. Then these lights should start blinking. Now you can just turn off the keyboard, turn it on again, and it should be ready to be connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.